Welcome again. I'm Betty Hurley Dasgupta, and as part of the mathematical journey, you will be using the Khan Academy. So this video is a tour of what I would like for you to do within the Khan Academy. So you get to this site actually by either the link to the course, or you can just type khanacademy.org, which is the URL up here. And once you get to this place, though, you certainly can go in and play around with it, and you should see there's quite a bit in here, and we will be working mostly in this practice area, and you can search from within here. But in terms of the course, I do want you to actually sign up, and the reason for that is because I'm going to be serving as your coach, and you can use things in the Khan Academy, but you can't use the aspects of having a coach unless you are registered. So please go ahead and sign up for Khan Academy. I already am a member of Khan Academy, so I'm going to log in, and that's what you will do once you register. Then each time you can just log in. And I do have a Khan Academy account, but I have a lot of accounts. So I use my Google account to sign in to Khan Academy. So I'm going to click on that. Now, actually, you should remember this email because at some point after you've been in the space, I would like for you to request to have me as your coach, and you would put in this email. So do write down this email, or remember from this video. It's bhlawrence55@gmail.com, and that's the way you'll connect with me. Okay, once I sign in, note that I now have my name up on top. So that's how you know that you're in the site and have logged in properly. As I said, the main thing we're going to be working in is the practice area. And so if you click on practice, you get this very neat knowledge map, which you can move around in, similar to Google Maps. And as you can see, it's done within Google. I find this kind of fun to move around in, but also sometimes a little bit frustrating. But anyhow, you can see there are a lot of things in this universe of mathematical exercises. You can search for areas within here. You can go ahead and try some, but for the initial assessment in the Khan Academy, I actually asked you to do some particular things, and I'm just going to flip over to the mathematical journey again, and this is the initial assessment. This is, as I said, your sort of your study guide, your map of things to do within mathematical journey. If you click on the initial assessment, what I've asked you to do is to choose one of these options to do as a pre-assessment within Khan Academy. If it's been a while since you've used algebra, just go ahead and do option 1. But if it hasn't been that long and some of these things look familiar with you, go right ahead and choose this list. So see, the first thing on the list is adding fractions with common denominators. And within Khan Academy, there's this really neat way to just set this up for yourself. And where it is from within your name, visit profile. And this profile tells what has been completed in terms of studies. Now, I've been mostly using the space to look at other student work. I've played around with some things, but usually not under my official account. So it's not showing much up there for me. But what I did use was I did set up goals. And these goals are actually the goals of the course. So if you click on a goal, it takes you right to that particular practice set. So let's go back, and I'll start creating a new set of goals similar to what I did before. So you click on create a new goal, and then you choose custom goal. And then you're back in the practice area, and then you can start typing in some keywords from the mathematical journey things. You may want to have this open even. So adding fractions with common denominators. So let's try adding fractions, typing that in. And there it is, adding fractions with common denominators. So I would save this one. Oh, it's not letting me save it because I already have that one in my list. But if I chose this one, I could take that and note that it's in there as a goal. And then I can go in and check for the next one on my list, which is converting fractions to decimals. Go in and search for that and add it to my list. I'm going to cancel this because I already have this in there. So you can see there's the first one, adding fractions with common denominators. There's the converting. Once you have this in here, then you can click on goals at any time and then work on those goals. Once you've identified me as a coach, now what it's doing here is it's actually because I am a coach, it's showing me my students. But if you click on coach, you can request a coach. And let me do that under profile. So you go under coaches and request a coach there. And there you would put in my email. And that's it. Then I'm connected to you. I can see how you're doing on your set of goals. And when you go to the other part of the mathematical journey, which are the skill development, and choose these links, which will take you directly to those links, I will see your work as you go along. And then we can dialogue either through Mahara or through email, but it'd be better through Mahara about how you're doing through the Khan Academy. So I hope you enjoy using the Khan Academy and working through these exercises. Note as you, for example, let's do this one. The very nice thing about the Khan Academy practice area is you see the practice problem here. You provide your answer, it gives acceptable formats. You can then check your answer. If it's not correct, it will tell you so. If you need a hint, you can click on there and request a hint. And then the corresponding video is available right there for you, so you can take a look at the video. So it's a very great, it's a wonderful space to work in, and I hope you enjoy it. And thank you very much.